Hey guys, Ron here with J&R Texas, and we are outside. We're underneath the Thinkin Tree, sitting on our brand new deck. Stay tuned, let me show you what we've been doing in February. Where do you go, man?
Looks good enough.
It's good enough. Did you go all the way through?
Yeah. One more.
Last nail?
It's mom's now.
It's the golden spike.
Yay.
We had a big cage around this guy for several months, probably 4 or 5 months. Took the leaves off last weekend. This is a little fig tree. We call this one Adam. Eve is just the other side of the burrow bush here. And we're gonna let the ground heat up, let the air heat up, and see if we can't get some good buds and good limbs going this year. This is our entryway. Main gate is right there. When you come in, we were planning on putting a big maple tree here, so for years I started putting down soil amendments, paper, leaves, grass clippings, and during the spring this really comes on. I was able to grow some black beans without any care at all whatsoever last year, just a handful, but if you'll notice, the ground back behind it where nothing's been done is just that hard clay, sandy granite sand. This thing is just really coming on. So anything you do up here, the land appreciates it and it rewards you with some good green stuff. So we're gonna keep that going. All right, guys, the impatient gardener strikes again. I planted some passion vines. I think the last little spring frost we had got them. They didn't make it, along with a couple of Turk's caps. But we've got some lipstick sage, some lipstick